First, we only take a video of the view and we take the second video of the subject jumping. We cut the moment when the subject lands and place the second part of the video in the main layer. I reduced the opacity of the subject's video to match it with the landscape video. First, I increased the speed of the landscape video to match with the jump of the subject. Then I'll increase the opacity of the subject's video to 100. I separate the subject from the background using remove background. Then I give a keyframe to the beginning and end of the video of the subject. From the motion blur section, I give motion to the subject. I set the blur to 36 and set the blend to 48 and set the direction to both. From the effects section, I choose the electric shock 2 effect. Set the texture to 36 and lateral chromatic aberration to 31, intensity to 53, and color to 100, range to 67, speed to 100, and blur to 83. From the filter section, I choose the sunny day off filter. And I'll also add the green lake filter and set it to 38. And I choose some sound effect from the sound FX section to my video.